Hey guys, so the product I'm gonna review today is this. It's the sports and casual shoe from the brand Airso. So let's get started with the review. So the design, talking about the design, it has a really attractive and good type of design, as you all can see. It has variant type of color contained here, and the sole is also designed in a very beautiful way. The sole is mainly a rubber type of sole. Material is of rubber, which is a tight rubber, so as you walk and run and no type of shrinkness comes in the sole. And as you all can see, it has a bit uplifted sole, so it's a good product for small height girls out there. And mainly this has a very good grip lines inside, so as to walk and run in a very easy and comfortable manner. The material used is a leather type of material this side, which is very hard and a shiny type of material, and no type of scratch line comes, as you all can see. And here you've got double stitches lines everywhere, so that as to get good durability power of the product. And here you've got lace, which are made up of mesh and resin type of material, so this is a good thing in this product. And also the material used inside is also really good. It's a bit foamy type of material, which is a very comfortable type of material. And yeah, you don't get any type of shoe bite inside, so which is a good thing. Also, this portion is a bit netty, which is a breathability type of feature, I would say, which mainly ensures that your heel to toe, every part of your feet gets aerated. But the one disadvantage of this product is that with this portion you can go for summer season but not for rainy season, as water comes inside and your feet get wetted easily. So this thing really disappoints me a bit, but all in one it's really good. And the sole is really lightweighted, no type of weight comes. And moreover, this is a casual shoe also, as well as the sports shoe. It's a two-in-one product for you all, and it can go with any type of dressing sense out there, so which is a good thing. And the best thing in this product, it's washable also. So all in one, this product is really good. I bought this product from Amazon, and I've been using this product from past 6 or 7 months, I guess, and no type of problem I've got. It's really very comfortable, guys. And this I got for 1,000 rupees, but it's on sale right now. You'll get for 800 approx, so it's a very affordable price also. All in one, it's a very good product. The features in this product is really good, so I would highly suggest this product to you all. That's all for the review. Thank you.